Hi everyone, this is Alan Went, and today we're talking about Micro Focus's PPM, and we're looking at the features available through our dashboarding technology, specifically HTML dashboard portlets. On the screen, we're emulating an iPad device. We're looking at these pages through the new PPM for mobile device set of dashboards. We're looking at a health check. So it's a project health check. It's very easy, very dynamic. On the left-hand side, my active projects. On the right-hand side, those programs that are also something I'm tracking. Easy indication of high-level information, and with a single click, you can look at the detailed information about all of those projects in a scrollable window. So it's really a laundry list. Super easy, super dynamic. The current information. You can hover over those tabs at the top to do sort orders. But again, very easy, very quick, convenience and dynamic for our customers. The second example that we have here on the screen is one of Agile Banking. Here, the graphics on the screen are a little more specific to portfolio planning. So on the left-hand side, you get a little bubble chart and plotted of the projects and assets and proposals. On the right, you get a portfolio impact chart. Here we have a grouped bar chart. On the right-hand side, a dynamic status report where you can change on the fly the visuals of that status report. Now let's look at some information on the classic interface. And here we're looking at a dashboard of a functional user, Tina Fry. Tina logs in, she looks at the information that's been created by her in both a list format as well as a pie chart broken up by the sponsors of that entity. And that's a scrollable entity. You can hover over to see those details. On the right-hand side, information that's been submitted by someone in her corporate department. So again, list information on the top and a bar chart of the same information broken up by status. With a single click, you can drill into those different statuses. Here, the new status. That information is displayed immediately on the screen. Last but certainly not least is our D3 visualizations. When we talk about D3, we're really talking about just a library of visualizations. It is a JavaScript library for creating dynamic interactive data visualizations. The examples that we have here on the screen, as you see, highlight the availability, the interaction with HTML5, the cascading style sheet standards, CSS they're referred to. On the screen here, you see a collapsible tree for portfolio hierarchy. This is our demo data. It's highlighting the fact that with a few clicks, you can visualize right on the screen the hierarchy child and parent relationship of the same data. This is a zoomable starburst graphic where the child hierarchy relationship between the objects lower in the portfolio hierarchy and then higher, with a single click on the middle portion of that to navigate to up in the chart, down in the chart on the pie. And then finally, at the bottom, a word cloud. This information is coming from our project work plan breakdown structures, WBSs. This last D3 example is actually embedded in our portfolio module. The overview page is highly configurable, and this release sand key chart is an example of HTML plus D3 portlet. So on the left-hand side, information about the strategic theme and alignment. On the right-hand side, information about when those objects are going to be included in a release, and information about the features, and the story point counts for each of those features is displayed in a pop-up. Thank you for your attention today. That completes the demo with regards to PPM's HTML portlets.